B2 Audio Ref SQ 3-way crossover, audiophile weapon, or overhyped gear. Ever felt trapped chasing perfect sound, only to waste hours tweaking cheap gear that never delivers? Distorted mids, shrill highs, muddy bass. Your dream system turns into a headache. Deadlines slip, motivation tanks, and focus vanishes. It's like pouring your heart into music, but hearing it come back flat, lifeless, and hollow. The frustration is real, and it's exhausting. Now imagine crunch time. The show's about to start, the judges are waiting, or that long drive deserves your best playlist. But your soundstage collapses, vocals blur, and your system betrays you. Stress skyrockets, opportunities vanish, and burnout creeps closer. That sinking feeling, when your gear ruins the moment, is unbearable. For true audiophiles, this isn't inconvenience, it's heartbreak. The B2 Audio Ref SQ 3-way 6.5-inch component passive crossover was engineered for uncompromising sound quality and competition-level performance. Its 6.5-inch multi-layer carbon fiber woofers deliver tight, responsive low-end without sacrificing musicality, while the 3-inch CNC-detailed gold-accented mids produce smooth, natural vocals that anchor your soundstage. The 1-inch ceramic dome tweeters, powered by dual neodymium magnets, add sparkling highs with pinpoint imaging, avoiding harshness even at high volumes. At the heart of the system lies the audiophile-grade passive crossover, featuring air core inductors, oversized film capacitors, and robust PCB construction, ensuring linear response, precise separation, and distortion-free dynamics. Gold-plated terminals secure solid connections, while multiple attenuation settings give you full control over tweeter levels for personalized tuning. Designed to handle up to 100 watts RMS per channel at 4 ohm, this kit balances raw capability with refined finesse. One competitor recalled a demo where his old system collapsed, but after switching to the Ref SQ, imaging locked in perfectly, mids bloomed, and judges praised the natural tonal balance that stood out effortlessly. What makes the Ref SQ crossover system remarkable is how universally it's respected by experts and everyday users alike. A sound quality competition judge described it as a testament to true engineering, seamless integration, transparent response, and competition-ready consistency. An installer with decades of experience praised it as bulletproof in design, with massive boards and effortless handling, eliminating the guesswork of cheap crossovers. Influencers in the car audio scene highlight its ceramic tweeters and carbon woofers, noting how these elevate ordinary setups into audiophile-level sound. One reviewer said, "Vocals sit perfectly center, guitars sound alive, and imaging feels three-dimensional." Analysts see it as a crossover that bridges the gap between DIY tuning and professional DSP, saving hours while guaranteeing precision. Customers back the hype too. "I installed this in my daily driver. Now it feels like a concert hall every commute." Another enthusiast shared, "Finally, no listening fatigue. I can crank it for hours and still enjoy every detail." With its robust build, dynamic accuracy, and flawless staging, the Ref SQ is more than a component. It's your ticket to music as it was meant to be heard. Act fast. Limited stock won't last. The B2 Audio Ref SQ 3-way crossover is already the choice of judges, pros, and audiophiles chasing elite sound quality. With carbon fiber woofers, ceramic tweeters, precision mids, and a crossover network that redefines accuracy, this kit is in high demand. Don't wait while others secure their perfect stage. Secure yours today. Join thousands who've transformed their rides into sonic showcases. Seize the chance, own the moment, and let your music finally breathe the way it was meant to.